Welcome back. Let's talk about alert in SwiftUI. Let's talk about alert in SwiftUI. However, you will often want to attach actions to buttons to perform a specific action. Often want to attach actions to buttons to perform a specific action when they are tapped to do this. When they are tapped to do that. When they are tapped to do that, attach a closure to your button that will be called when it's tapped like this. Then we go when it's tapped. So first of all, we're gonna create on this Swift UI view, and this is the alert in Swift UI. We're gonna create on the SwiftUI view, and we're gonna create on this state property, bind on this alert state private var is show alert, which is type of bool and true and false value. This is the initial value on this false, and we're gonna create on this button. So this is a show alert text on this button, show alert, and we're gonna create on this lambda self dot show alert. So is show alert is equal to true. Self dot show alert is equal to true, and we're gonna apply this padding on this button. We're gonna apply this frame on this button. This is a suppose 300 width and this 440 height. We're gonna apply 40 height, and we remove this alignment is remove, and we're gonna apply this dot background dot foreground color dot white color, and we're gonna apply this background color background color dot purple color, suppose which have purple color. We're gonna apply this background or the purple, and we're gonna apply this corner radius 12 point on this button, and we're gonna apply on this alert in SwiftUI. Dot alert is presented on this content, so remove on this content, so bind on this dollar is show alert, and we're gonna create on this lambda. So this is the alert, and this is title, this is the text. We're gonna apply this text. So this is the text assignment. Suppose this is a are you sure. We're gonna apply the delete, and we're gonna apply this delete, done and delete. Are you sure? Are you sure? Done. Are you sure? Are you sure? Want to? Are you sure? Want to? Are you sure? You want to? You want to. And we're gonna apply this you. Are you sure? You want to? Done. Task. And we're gonna apply this message. We're gonna apply separator. This is the alert use of alert, and this is the separator is title. We're gonna create on this message. Suppose message, this is the text, and we're gonna apply this text. This is a undo information, undo task. Text, and another one of the text we're gonna apply on this. So this is the primary button. We can call him on this primary button. So primary is the alert type. This is primary button, and we can use the alert type. So this is the dot distractive, and we're gonna apply this text. So this is the done, and we're gonna apply on this secondary button. So this is the dot cancel, and we're gonna apply this text. remove on this alert. So we can resume on this application. So this error, check on this error, suppose fixed on this separator. We can use of separators error, and we can resume on this application. This is the tab on the show alert. So this, are you sure you want to done task, undo task? We can remove, and this done. So show alert. So show alert is, let's talk about alert in SwiftUI. However, you will often want to attach actions to buttons to perform a specific actions when they are tapped to do that. 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 Attach a closer to your button that will be called when it's tapped like this. It taps like this. We can use of alert in SwiftUI. Thank you for watching. We can use of alert in SwiftUI.